Hi children, good morning all of you. How are you all? I think you are all fine. As a science teacher, a small suggestion for you. Due to the COVID-19, already you know about the disease COVID-19. So anybody don't go out from your home. You have to stay safe and stay home. Okay. By the way, my name is Somu. My qualification is MSc BEd. I am teaching science subject since 10 years. Okay. Yes. So this is for third class students, and I am going to start your previous class syllabus. In that syllabus some topics. So if you have books, textbooks with you, you have to open and see that book. Okay? Yes. So one topic is in your previous class, that is sensing in the world. Sensing the world. Okay, do you have an idea about this topic? About sense? Okay, yes, now we have to see here. Our body is a wonderful machine. Do we know machine? What are it machine? Like fan, other sewing machine, washing machine. Already I know. You know everything, everybody. So like that, our body also working like a machine, and it can do a lot of things like a machine. So how it can do a lot of things? Some parts of our body, they can help to do these activities or to do these works. So what are some parts in our body? They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These are the main parts. These parts are also called organs. These parts are also called organs. With the help of these organs, our body is working like a machine. So with the help of these organs, we are recognizing, we are finding some feelings. Got it, everyone? So with the help of these organs, we are recognizing or we are finding some feelings. So what are the feelings? See, hear, smell, taste, and feel. So these are the feelings. So these all feelings are recognized by these organs. So that is why we are calling them sense organs. Sense organs. Understood, everyone? What are sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin. These 5 organs are called sense organs. Sense means nothing is there. A feeling. Feeling means here different types of feelings are there. What are they? See, hear, smell, taste, feel. These are the feelings. So these feelings are finding by these sensor organs. These sensor organs. Clear? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about, first of all, eyes. Do you have eyes? Yes. How many eyes are there in our body? Everybody has 2 eyes. See. Eyes. So eyes are the important part of our body. So they are the look like. Everybody know about eyes, okay? So these eyes are very important part of our body. So without our eyes, we would not able to see the world around us. We can't see. We can't see anything. We can't see anything around us. Suppose you have to close your eyes, 2 eyes like this. Then you have to observe yourself. Are you seeing? Are you able to see anything in front of you? No, it's not possible to you. Okay. So that is why eyes are important organs in our body. So they help us to know different colors. With the help of nose, we can see different colors, shapes, and sizes. Clear? Colors, already know colors, red, green, blue, like the colors are there. If you see any color, you can say immediately, oh, this is blue color, or this is white, this is black, like that you are saying. How it is possible to you? With the help of our eyes. So with the help of eyes, what you are doing here? We can see. We can see. See means this is feeling. What type of feeling? Already we discussed in the previous. So with see, we can say this is what is the color, and with the help of this eyes only we can see shape. What is the shape? You already know shapes. Different shapes are there. Things. Rectangle shape, triangle shape, square shape, cube shape, like that are there. So when you see one thing, object, you can say, oh, this is the shape, this shape. And like the size also. How much size is it? Is it big or small? You can see. So that purpose we are using these eyes. Okay. So how we can say that one? Oh, it is black color, it is red color. How we can say that one? When we see with the help of these eyes. So this message, whatever it message, is it color message, or is it shapes message, or is it sizes message, whatever it. So when we see these things, these feelings, so our eyes see them, and they can send a message to our brain. Send messages to our brain. Then what will happen? Our brain can analyze that one. It can analyze. Oh, this is what is this color? What is the shape of the object, like that. After we can send back return message to our eyes. Then we can say that oh, it is a black color. It is a triangle shape. It is a big size. Suppose you are seeing one elephant. So how is the size? Means you can say oh, it's a big elephant. Like that you are saying. So how it is possible? Your brain analyzes that one, and it can send message return back to our eyes. Like that, eyes are working. Okay, and it is important to keep our eyes clean. What do you have here? We have to keep our eyes clean. Are you cleaning your eyes every day? Yes, everyone can do that. Okay, when we wake up, immediately we can wash and we can clean our eyes. Is it right? How we can clean? How we can clean is with the help of cool water. Cool and clean water. We can clean our eyes with cool and clean water. Clean is fresh water. Okay. Yes. And we can protect our eyes It's important. Why it is important? Yeah, our eyes are important organs. Already we discussed that. So that is why we have to protect our eyes. How we can protect our eyes means. So generally we are seeing children are there. Now we are all staying at home. So much of long time you are spending with the TV only. I think is it right? Because it is a lockdown time and a holidays time. So you are all watching TV. So you don't watch TV. Don't watch TV long time. Compulsory you have to follow this instruction. Don't watch TV long time. Okay now. This is one protection method. And another one is you are playing games in the mobile phones also. Is it right or not? Yes. So don't use mobile long period. Don't use. Mobile long time. Compulsory we have to follow these instructions. If you follow these instructions, we can protect our eyes. Is it clear for everyone? Okay. This is one sense of eyes. Next, we are going to discuss about ears. What is the next one? Ears. So like you see the ear shape of the ear. Okay, everybody has 2 ears. Already know that about that. So we hear with the help of ears. We hear sounds. We hear sounds. Clear? And different things make different sounds. Some things make loud sounds. Or too much of noise is coming from them. Example, DJ, ringing of school bell, like that. And some instruments making low sounds. Okay, so we can hear that such type of sounds. And when a loud sound is coming from any object or from anything, we can't bear. Our ears cannot bear that much of sound. Then what we have to do immediately? We are closing our ears like this. Is it right or not? Okay. Yes. The same way here also. When our ears hear sound, whatever it, low or high sound or too much of noise, so that ear waves or sound waves are reaching to our ears. They will reach the eardrum like that, and our ears send message to our brain. Okay. Same process. Our brain this is that one. It is a this sound. Suppose any cinema song is coming, playing, then you can say, oh, this is something, say, cinema field, cinema song, like that you are saying. Okay. So, like that we have to hear sound with the help of these ears. Clear? Okay. Next. Ears. We can protect our ears also, ourselves. How we have to protect ourselves? Ears means here, we don't put sharp objects. Don't put sharp objects in our ears. Is it right or not? Sharp pencil is there. We don't put in our ears. If you put like this, it will break down our eardrum. Then we don't hear any sounds. We can get deaf. Okay? Yes. And don't put any earbuds. Somebody are using earbuds to clean their ears. So what we are calling them earbuds. Okay. So don't put that such type of earbud. Or cotton buds. Some members are saying that one cotton buds. So don't put or don't use. Okay. This is about ears. Next, other sense organ is nose. Okay, nose. What we are doing with the help of nose? So we can smell the things, whatever things, or food items. Okay, we smell with our nose. We smell. This is a big smell. Okay. The human nose has nostrils. Do you know nostrils? Small holes. Two nostrils are there, one and two. Okay. That they are called nostrils. So with the help of these nostrils, we are taking air inside. That is called inhale or inhale. Okay. So inside the nostrils, if we observe, hair is there. Okay. So what is doing this hair inside? When we take breathe inside, so air is going inside. So then what will happen? In the air, so many dust particles are there. Like smoke also is there. Then what will happen? It will also try to go inside. Then what will happen here? Hair is filtering the air. Okay. What will happen? Here they have some mucus glands. So it is nose is releasing mucus. So this mucus and the hair protect from different types of diseases. Protect from our diseases. So when these dust particles enter into our nose, so they will cause some problems. Okay. So they will purify the hair and the mucus. Purify the air. Purify the air. Okay? Yes. In the same way, when we take air, suppose example, somebody is cooking biryani outside. So that smell is coming through the air. When we smell that one, something smell is reaching to our brain. Then what we have to say, oh, somebody is cooking biryani or somebody is cooking something food items. Immediately you can say without saying. How it is possible? The help of nose. Okay? Same. So nose, when the air enters into our nose, that smell reaches to our brain. Again brain analysis that one. It will tell to you something. Oh, it is some biryani or it is some cooked food. Like that. We can find the smell. So that purpose nose is useful to us. Next organ is, sense organ is tongue. What is that? Tongue. Okay. So tongue is like this in there. In our mouth. This in our mouth is there. Okay, this is tongue. So what we are doing with the tongue, we can taste things. We can taste things. Okay. When we eat some food, whatever food, we are chewing with the help of teeth. In the same way, our tongue also helps to us in the chewing. So then what will happen? So your taste on the tongue, taste boards are there. Taste boards. So with the help of taste buds, we can find different types of taste. What are the different types of taste? Sweet, sour, bitter, and the salt. These are the different tastes. So these all tastes are finding by the tongue. Okay, same process. Our tongue is sending message to our brain. Okay, then it analysis. It will say, oh, this is the sweet taste. It is the bitter taste. Like that, it will tell to us. Okay. Last one is skin. Last one is skin. Okay. Our body is whole body. Our whole body is covered with this skin. Already know that. Okay. And we touch and feel with our skin. We touch and feel with our skin. So feeling, whatever, touch, feeling, something, whatever it is, that of skin only can find. Okay. So what are the feelings? Suppose rough. Rough or smooth. Rough or smooth. Suppose if we touch wall or blackboard, it is some roughness. Okay. How we can say that one? If you touch, we are getting one type of feeling. Or if you touch with this hand only, say glass. So it is very smooth easily. Is it right? Okay, here we are using only hand. When we touch a blackboard, when we rub like this, it is rough easily. We are saying it is rough. And when we touch with this hand only, glass is, then we can say it is smooth easily. So this is one type of touch feeling. In the same way, hot or cold, hot or cold, dry or wet, soft and dry, soft and dry. Okay, these are touch, some touches. Okay, is it rough? Is there or smooth? Is there? Hot is there or cold is there? Or it is dry is there or wet is there? Soft is there or it is dry? These are all touch. So these are feelings, touches, touch feelings found by skin. Okay, this is about skin. So these are all 5 sense organs. About 5 sense organs. Clear for everyone? Okay. Now a small assessment for you. What is that? I will ask some questions. Okay. We hear dash. I'm writing here. We hear dash with our ears. Second one is loud sounds are dashed to our ears. Third one is we should dash our eyes properly. Dash is the largest organ. We taste different things with our dash. This is for as a assessment. Is it clear? Thank you everyone.